mod A vector plus B vector is greater than or equal to mod A vector minus mod B vector. Now proof of this statement. In triangle OPQ, OP vector is A vector, length of OP is A. PQ vector is B vector, length of PQ is B. And from law of triangle for vector addition, third side of triangle OQ, that is originating from the tail of A to the head of B, is the resultant of A vector and B vector. So OQ vector is A vector plus B vector, and length of OQ is mod A vector plus B vector. Now from the property of triangle, length of a side of triangle is greater than difference of other two sides. Length of here one side of that triangle is OQ, that is greater than length of OP minus length of PQ. So OQ is greater than OP minus PQ, but OQ is mod A vector plus B vector, OP is mod A vector, PQ is mod B vector. So mod A vector plus B vector is greater than mod A vector minus mod B vector, equation number 1. Now what happens when A and B are collinear and antiparallel? It means angle between A and B is 180. Then mod A vector plus B vector is square root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos. Angle between A and B is 180. Cos 180 is minus 1. So square root A square plus B square minus 2AB. It means square root A minus B whole square. So it is A minus B. So mod A vector plus B vector is A minus B. It means mod A minus mod B vector. Equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, mod A vector plus B vector is equal or greater than mod A vector minus mod B vector. Thank you.